In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color using the fill control. Let's get started by selecting the text you want to recolor. Click directly on the text so it's clearly active. You should see a highlight or a bounding box around it, which confirms that the text is selected. If you have multiple lines or paragraphs, make sure the entire block is selected so the color change applies everywhere you expect. Now look to the right side of your screen. This is where the Properties panel typically lives, and it's where you'll find the settings that affect whatever you've selected. Because you clicked on text, the panel on the right should show text-related options. What you're looking for is the Fill section. Fill is the control that determines the color of your text. Once you've located Fill, click on it. You'll usually see a small color swatch or a color box next to the word Fill. Clicking, this opens the color picker. This is the place where you can change the color to exactly what you want. With the color picker open, choose your new color. You can drag within the color area to find a shade, move the sliders to adjust brightness and saturation, or type in a specific color value if you have one. As you make changes, watch your text on the canvas update in real time. This live preview helps you fine-tune the color until it looks right. A few quick tips to make this easier. If nothing seems to change when you select a color, double-check that the text is still selected and that you're adjusting the fill for text, not a background or shape. If only part of your text changes, it likely means only part of it was selected. Click the text block again to select the whole thing. For readability, aim for strong contrast between your text and the background. Darker text works best on light backgrounds, and lighter text on dark backgrounds. If you're working with a brand color, use the exact value to keep things consistent. When you're happy with the color, simply close the color picker. Your change is applied and saved within your current document. That's all there is to it. Click the text, go to the right side, open Fill, click to access the color picker, and choose the color you want. With these steps, you can quickly change text color and keep your design clear, consistent,